I'm now ready to anneal the piece that I started rolling. I'm putting it in boric acid and alcohol. And I'm going to turn off my lights so that you might be able to see more of the coloration as I am annealing. So here I am. Starting to work towards annealing. So you see the piece is starting to get red hot. Now what I'm going to do here is in the inside here, that is, let the surface start to break a little bit, to crack a little bit, and on the end, I'm going to do that. And so basically, as you can see, that piece is really hot. So I'm going to let it cool down, then I'm going to continue rolling it out. So here's my piece. I rolled it a little bit more off camera. I also cleaned it up. I've sanded it some. Looks like 18 karat now. So I'm going to continue rolling. And you're just going to watch the length of it grow. I've annealed it twice so far. So now I'm going to go to the next rolling section for square wire. You can see the length. It has really grown. Let me grab a gauge. Let's see what the size is. So basically, I want, I'd say I like what, 1.6 millimeters. Now I have a choice. I could continue to roll it down to that, but I feel it needs annealing. So I'm going to stop at this point and anneal it. So here I am again. I'm going down to the last roll being square. So I need 1.6 millimeters. So I have to get to the right one. I think I pretty much went through this one, but I'll just touch it off here. So I did one side, then I flipped it and did the other side. That's what you do as you come down in your milling. Now this side should give me, what I need. That 1.6 millimeter square. Okay, let's take a measurement and see what I've done. I've got 1.66, so I'm going to go just a little bit more. So once again, I get the right hole and I go through. So 1.66 was pretty good, but let's put it a little bit low, a little bit smaller. So if it comes out 1.6 or a little bit under, we're fine. So there we go, 1.59, and we have it. Now I'm going to move over to the bench and show you the next step here. So here I am figuring out how much of this piece of wire I need to make the top under bezel for this crystal barrel. It is a 13.67 carat stone and most likely from Sri Lanka. It's eye clean. Now the way that you figure out the amount of material you want around with an oval, you would take the length and then you would take the width, and then you would take, you add those together, and then you divide by 2, and then you multiply that times pi, 3.14. So the length was 16.2, the width was 11.5, so that's 27.62. I take that 27.62 and divide that by 2. That comes to 13.181 millimeters. That's the diameter that it averages out to. You multiply that times 3.14, and so I need at least 43.36 millimeters in length in order to make my underbezel. Of course, I don't want to go any less than that. So I'm going to take that amount, that 43. Okay, so I'm actually going to take 45 here, 45, 46. I'm going to take it and cut that. So I'm going to just cut that like that. Now I'm going to go over to the mill. I'm going to take over the mill, and I'm going to take this down to the thickness that I want, the width and the thickness. Be right back.